Yes, so now welcome to Manchester United in PG podcast. My name is Temitope Idowu, but people will sabi they call me Blaze. And today the match we're about, so we say this match is the story by playing. Our match just finished against Everton. That match been blow my mind. The way we they talk, it blow my mind like fool. But before we go continue to the yarn of the matter, because we cannot lie, very very excited. We go just want do one short small prayer. Say for Leicester City house, no say the big way be happy there yesterday. Not make anybody happy, because as much as all of us be football fans, I mean they do banter for life past football, and we got stuck up as we pray say God for infinite mercy go give them the heart, the condolence, everything to bear the loss. The way in Boma they talk, I say God will give them the fortitude to bear this loss, because no lie, as much as they banter, they laugh at each other, life big past football, and we pray say this kind of thing not go happen again, because we cannot lie, they sad, just they watch match when you say that kind of thing happen, you say you come up for stadium now, 2 seconds later, 2 minutes later, you say that kind of thing happen, they really really sad. But like I thought for beginning, we pray say God will give them the heart to bear this loss, and say they go move on to greater things, and see the best people we don't go, God go bless them for where did they go for the journey, where did they work out. So back to our own story, the talk for Manchester United this season. This match at the first match we play, we say I no go lie, it torturing my belly from beginning reach end, because I be see the kind ginger where we dey find. If you look at very well for beginning of the season, if you look at our matches, if we want play match, we know that we never play 90 minutes full correct. Sometimes we go play first half where we go be like say we want scatter everywhere, second half we come out we go dull. Sometimes what we do against Chelsea self, we go play first half dull, go be like say we no come the match at all. Second half we go start to throw away fire left, right and center. This one from beginning of whistle like this reach the end, we dey scatter Everton left, right and center. In fact, if not we say we be do wagawigi, we suppose score at least 4 goals for that match, because first of all that Martial one-on-one where he miss, and that Rashford one-on-one set. Imagine those kind 2 goals enter now forward we go to talk, because as it be we scatter. In fact, if we not even see British space, they go just look the scoreline, they waka, they come out. Also we say they get time to the hug, go happen, because we go throw away the entire gutter. But like I talk, it torture my belly, because we see ginger. More we know like the thing where we don't they talk about beginning of this season reach now, and I say our guys know the ginger. Just a bit like say that they fear to attack, but this match they attack. And my message to Mourinho they very very simple: if we dey play like this week in week out, they ginger, they attack, they scatter team left, right and center, nobody go die. No lie, we go to watch the match, they happy. Even if we lose, we go still they happy, say we play with better intent. Don't be when we say we go pack boss like say they swear for us more yet go see chopper with paper bag, chopper with basket, chopper with everything, still come out, nothing to show for the trailer we will pack. Now more just allow our guys to show themselves. More we scatter things, when we scatter we go scatter, when we don't scatter we go know say okay they better pass us. Don't we say we go to play, they confuse, say okay more just take her like that, it happen. No, we don't take her like that. This na Manchester United, our slogan na attack. But before we go enter the other story of Manchester of Mourinho matter, more look the main for the key guys today wey be do and we say they do the work better. Normal for talk say they gear, but we know say they gear on the normal day now winch. Nobody they gear no come for this life. Na another planet the gear become. Though they pay me say this season only one clean sheet don't keep, but even with that it don't do plenty correct saves. This is so like I talk, your matter na another planet issue, because him be winch, better winch na him be. They see the ball for everywhere. They bring am from space, you go see am. They bring am from water, you go see am. If you bring am from Jericho, go he dey there, you go see am. As far as na he dey there, I know they fear. For that defense, Lindelof not start to play since that match against Chelsea. He not start to show the kind form, the kind things, the kind ability, the ability where Mourinho be see for a body where be buy am. The kind things so we dey see for all the YouTube videos, because I no lie, now in YouTube video I see and I believe say the guy is sabi, but as the comment internet they start to do like person we say they put out that spare, they swear for her for a village, because start to they throw away leg, they throw away and they do main rubbish. But since I no lie, since the match against Chelsea, enter this Everton match, and they see their big things where they body, if they play correct football, if they compose, like say they don't tell our word for our say guy, this is our opportunity to blow. If you mess am up, we go swear for you. So go start to they compose itself now. They see the kind of things what they need for that defense. If they mash anybody they follow them, they track it run, and then they carry ball come up from the back to the front. Now one ability we don't lack in a while, he do it very well. Small himself, more no like he try. Don't forget about that PK where he be concede, no being fault. That one wait if he happen to anybody, he mistime the run and he miss am and he concede. But for other things, he be do his best. He make sure say he play your part self to help the guy keep clean sheet. Even though that one no happen. Young and Shaw, those two people. First of all, I go first talk about Shaw. The way Shaw be they do, I be think say his season don't end with us like that last season. His season no make sense. I be say in contract he will end with us, he go. But since this season starts, he don't pick up, he don't show form. No before he show formatting form. Say I don't format my memory, don't clean now, I don't bring better memory card enter. Just show better form this season, and then they play better correct football, and he continue again today. For Ashley Young, well, no lie, the guy they try in the old cargo, but in the try impossible they give the old better things. So if you do for that win wey he try today, man, no like, because I be think say Richarlison go use our play, but he marshal am well. He sure and say, guy, I get the experience. If I don't even get all the pace, if I don't feel the score goes where the score goes again, I get better experience. But cause sharp players and if you Pogba, no, and like I told, get some players wey say you go just see them, you know. Though Pogba be make one mistake wey na him be the mistake wey he do wey lead to that penalty, but aside from that, his game be proper correct. He do all the necessary tricks, he do the correct passes wey he supposed to throw, short pass, long pass. He help the defense wey he supposed help defense, he help the attack wey he supposed help the attack. He do his work properly. I go say he do better thing. I throw wake up for am twirl it round. Then we go come to Oga Fred, the guy they show signs of wetin we suppose need for a body. Though the problem I say the combination, how to combine them for our midfield. We too get plenty. If you won't remember, I say Pierre never even start to play this season, because for account he don't do this season, he never get opportunity to show the kind of talent where he get. So we still get Pierre, we still get Herrera for that our midfield. Now matter don dey show your talent, don dey show wetin dey fit do as a number 10. We don dey see am, we don dey give the likes of Pogba opportunities to run very well from attack and also to the help defense. So for me, that's our midfield don dey gel somehow. Though Matic, abeg, I no even know what I wan talk again, because that bros he just the thing wey he should do for the first season, maybe last season here, he never carry that kind of mental this season at all. This season door to door, they slow our ball, we go get attack, we go dey slow am down. I don't know, but more just really say now all the many things where they happen for Manchester United, they affect ourselves, because now no like this game he just try. You know, we say really do anything spectacular, he just did there, he just try. So we go enter our forward. I like the follow we used today. Though for me, I know to blame Lukaku. Lukaku they get many problems before. They miss chances, they do plenty, but more no lie. Our midfield no really today create chances for Lukaku. And as Oga Mourinho we talk say, guy, your time go rest for bench. He good like that today, because the guy need am make just go sit down for bench as he starts Rashford and Martial. If you look at very well, we say one person na be our 9 for this match. They rotate am, they run, they confuse that Everton backline. They don't know who to mark exactly, and they give us opportunity to do better things for that front. Martial for me now, I go give am 9/10, because this match he be play proper football. He not only just attack, he help in defense. He they come back, they give they give in defender extra hand, and when time reach to run at defenders for the other side for Everton, he they run at them with correct speed where they confuse them. He really trouble that Everton defense. He give them work as he know what your they call back. He just give their work, say take. I don't dare for that. Just give their work, they do am. Now wait till you do for the match day. I should say anywhere where Mourinho sit there, go they look, he say, well, I be talk say this boy get many come out, but he don't prove me wrong. Come on, no lie. Personally, I be reason say Martial no try, but he changed the narrative. He started to do the work. If you look at very well, they not just like I talk, not just attack. He attack and he defend and he help. Rashford or the own, that guy they try, man. No, like me not say person just they like to the attack player. He they try, but he need to go borrow extra sense, because no be every time you go they run. If you they run, they look up. They run, they look down. Say the thing where you want to the ground. Look up. Look your fellow players. Look what they do. Then when they give you chance, maybe they go format to bring on how to score. Go, but like say the goal scoring says don't time. Maybe fire out to the score the goals back, because we need them to start to get goals for us. We need to score better correct goals. No bad if we win match by 5 goals. No bad at all. So all those kind of chances where me and Martial be missed today, now you know supposed put put all those kind of chances inside net, make them shake body, make them know say yes, Manchester United don come back. So my people, na the summation of wetin I be feel say be happen for the match today. We will play better football, and hopefully Mourinho go learn from this one, because like I dey talk, if we dey play attacking football week in week out, nobody go die. So if we now continue this discussion, if we continue with us on top Manchester United in Pidgin Twitter, at Man United in Pidgin Twitter, on top na here be our Twitter handle. Also, if you jam us for Instagram at Man United in Pidgin self, and if you want follow me yarn personally, now just to follow my handle for Twitter at Temitope Idowu, we go continue the yarning for them. What till you feel about the match? How you go reason the match? He happy totori you, I be he just stay there. Till we go catch you again for the next game. We can remember Man United in Pidgin. We stand gidigba, we dey kampe.